I was in the parking lot.
Oh, were you? Oh, check it out. 20. Probably more in the back. I said Blitzer. Oh, that's the driver. Blake's dealing with the co-driver.
Okay.
Coming from Anatoke, they said that they backed up to a field and loaded it with no dock, and they're hauling portable sinks.
No seal?
Right here. We have a seal in on them. There's a handwritten seal on the bills.
Okay. And where's the driver?
He's right there.
Co-driver?
Talking with Blake.
What's up, bro?
Got a couple extra boxes that are not on the bills. Right here. Are there sinks in there? Those are sinks, but what are in these boxes right here? Parts?
Well, the sink parts,
Sink parts? Did you put, were they in there whenever the sinks were put in there?
yeah, I don't know what's inside.
So they loaded the sinks and then they loaded these boxes?
Yes.
Did you help them load these boxes?
They don't rent them.
Did you help them load these boxes?
For me?
Yeah. Put your hands out of your pockets for me.
I'm sorry.
Hey, so if I run fingerprints off these boxes, are your fingerprints going to be on these boxes? You know, did you touch the boxes?
No,
You didn't touch it?
when I put this one, maybe.
Okay, so there's not sink parts in there. In these boxes. They're not on your bills. You understand?
What's up?
This is marijuana. You can't call marijuana in New Mexico or any other state that I know of.
Think so.
Okay? You understand? That's what I'm saying. Where do these boxes come from? That's what I'm trying to say.
They come from the same place.
They came from the same place. Okay. I need a number of whoever loaded those. Okay, let's go right over here. Go ahead.
Hey, Blake, so what's up? 15, 49, what? What about this one? Sal, do you have his driver's license?
Yeah, it's on my counter.
Driver?
Yeah.
Driver? Come on, driver. Sal, open the door for me. Let me have that lock, man. Just watch your head. I'm gonna stand you right here in front of my unit, okay, man? What's that?
What's going on?
Okay, just stand right here. Go to put your hands behind your head for me, all right? Do you have any weapons on you? No, nothing? Nothing? Okay, put your hands on your head for me. Don't make any sudden movements, all right? Do you understand what I'm saying? You're the driver, right? What do you got in your pocket right here, man? What is it? What is it? Headphones. Headphones. Okay, put your hands behind your back for me, okay, man? I'll let you give you some more information on what's going on. I'm still trying to figure everything out too. I just showed up, okay? I need to talk to the other officer, but for right now, you're just detained. And I'm just gonna place you in my unit until we figure out what else is going on over here, okay, man? Let's walk you over here. To the other side. Right here. So like I said, man, I don't know what's going on. I just know that there's an investigation going on. Possibly on the contents of inside the trailer, okay, man? So I'm gonna have you sit here. I'll be back to check up on you here in a few minutes, okay, man? Let me get your headset. Do you have a cell phone or anything?
No.
No? No? Nothing in your car?
No, he taken it away.
He took it all away? This is all you had, right? Okay, I'm gonna go put this back on the desk. I'll be back with you in a few minutes, okay, man? Gonna put the air conditioner on for you, okay?
Daughter, 37 and 20 years old.
We'll put this guy in here and I'll Mirandaize him.
Okay. Come on, bud, we're gonna take you inside. Watch your step. Got it? Stay right there. Back it up a little bit. There you go. You on swing shift?
Well, we're mostly on days, but I have canine training this morning, so.
How's K9 going?
Oh, dude, so fun.
Legit?
Oh, that's amazing.
Stand up.
Turn the lights for you, man.
Turn around. You're not gonna give me any troubles? Don't put your handcuffs on the front, you're not gonna give me any troubles? Right here. You understand? What language do you
Had
speak?
that up there since 2012, bro.
I'm a holler? Start stacking them over there somewhere.
Prior to add 18 minutes. Except may interrupt.
I'm trying to pack these boxes so couldn't get it all back in there. And they dumped it in this van. We found this van inside the truck mattress that thing in there. We couldn't get all the boxes back in there. We'd have to throw them in the front. They're like professional.
Dang.
I got you.
Too far. Yes.
Yeah.
I got 19.
19? It's a small box.
20 with that one.
No, you're gonna leave that one out. That one's a separate package now. So we're gonna send it to evidence.
I got 19.
19?
Yes, sir.